Okay, Mr. J shows the ball with the pool here. And Nobu is using the nose to push the ball towards the trainer. And she balances the ball, lands on the stage. And she moves the ball inside the ring. Wow, that was awesome, Mr. J. But can you do one more time, please? Okay, thank you, Mr.